Are you looking for the best rotary tools in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best rotary tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WEN 2305 Rotary Tool Kit with Flex Shaft. Meet the WEN Rotary Tool, the last unit introduced by leading manufacturer WEN. This is a versatile and powerful tool kit that includes a 100-piece accessory set made up of sanding discs, mandrels, and polishing pads. The speed of this tool kit varies from 8,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. The WEN Rotary Tool Kit is designed with the onboard spindle lock and 2.3mm and 3.2mm collets that enable you to change bits easily and quickly. For jobs requiring intricate precision and detail, attach the flex shaft included in the WEN Rotary Tool Kit to the tool. You can take this rotary tool on all your travels with ease because it is so light and portable. The lightweight nature of this rotary tool, together with its intricate design, allows for the carving of small, sophisticated patterns in any material you can think of. An amazing tool, just like some of these cordless drills from our list. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt DW660 Rotary Tool. We all want the easy way out when it comes to household tasks, and this rotary power tool promises to bring our desires to reality. DeWalt is a leading manufacturer in the world of hardware tools, and it launched its latest product, the DeWalt Rotary Saw. This durable saw is one of the most powerful units in the market today, put together by the best engineering team in the world. If you're searching for a tool that is great for cutting, we will recommend this rotary. It is designed for use in all areas, whether it is your home garage, a job site, or any other area where saws are needed. This rotary power tool from DeWalt includes a single drywall cutting bit and collets of various sizes. The first and most prominent feature of the DeWalt rotary saw is its slim body design. With such a configuration, users experience less fatigue, no matter how long they use the tool. Besides strength, durability is another trait of the DeWalt saw. It comes with a dust-sealed switch that keeps dust out at all times. The DeWalt rotary saw is a user-friendly unit that doesn't require skilled personnel or professional help. It features an easy-to-use turn-on/bump-off switch. The DeWalt saw provides job site durability via its jam pot construction. This saw cuts through pretty much everything: plywood, drywall, ceramic tiles, cement boards, and even plexiglass. Our editorial team is confident that this saw will deliver all your cutting needs at a that everyone can afford. Our guide to the best reciprocating saws features more quality tools like this, so check them out. The 3rd product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER RTX-B 3-speed RTX rotary tool. Meet the BLACK+DECKER RTX-B rotary tool, a special rotary tool with a storage case. It's an imported rotary tool that is full of all accessories you will need for your various tasks, both in the home and office. This rotary tool features 5 different accessories: a user guide, wrench, and a storage bag. All these elements go a long way to help you in the garage or when you're on the road. During your workshop times, you can change accessories with ease thanks to the exclusive RTX flip-lock spindle lock system. What's more, the BLACK+DECKER RTX Speed Rotary Kit works well with all standard rotary tool accessories, thanks to its universal collet system. This rotary tool uses a powerful, high-torque motor that delivers twice the power of all competing brands. Strength, durability, and precision are the main attributes associated with this rotary tool. Furthermore, accuracy is assured via the tool's variable speed settings. These 3 speeds include 24,000 and 30,000 revolutions per minute. We are recommending the BLACK+DECKER rotary tools for all garages, homes, and offices because it is powerful and highly ergonomic. Its overall design comes with a non-slip grip that offers the most comfort during your work hours. This tool is most suitable for crafting and around the house projects and removes dust, smooths and shapes workpieces, and also creates drywall cutouts on the job site. Existing users of the BLACK+DECKER have commented on its durability, high efficiency, and intense power. Second on our list is the Dremel 18220 128 12V Max Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. There is another rotary tool from Dremel, and this product has made it to the second place on our list. The Dremel 18220 Rotary Tool Kit is a cordless tool kit that is highly versatile and can be used as a polisher, engraver, and sander at the same time. The Dremel 18220 toolkit is compelling, compact, and portable. All its operations are powered by a powerful lithium-ion battery with a maximum performance of 30,000 revolutions per minute. This tool also has a variable speed feature. This rotary tool also has a lot of features worth discussing. The first feature we highlight is its versatility. It comes with attachments, the rotary tool itself, a charger, accessory case, plastic storage case, and 28 high-quality Dremel accessories. And for fast and easy accessory changes, the Dremel toolkit is designed and built with a patented X-twist nose cap. The battery mentioned earlier is also removable. This feature is an excellent design because it allows you to charge the battery outside the rotary tool itself. Cut through metal, wood, concrete, marble, and all other materials with ease when you have the Dremel toolkit in your hands. Purchasing this toolkit offers you a 2-year warranty on all parts, as well as customer service, available via email, chat, or phone. A very useful tool to have in your toolbox. Finally, the top product on our list is the Dremel 4300 540 High Performance Rotary Tool Kit. The Dremel 4300 Rotary Tool Kit is our top product. According to several review websites online and existing users around the world, this rotary tool is a high performance and operates with lead for fine detail work. The Dremel toolkit features the tool itself and 40 other high-quality accessories stored in a durable plastic casing. A bonus to this kit is the set of 5 attachments, meant to aid in activities such as sanding and hollowing. The Dremel rotary multi-tool uses a high-powered motor, which is very impressive when compared to other existing products on the market. This motor delivers the maximum performance in all situations, no matter how demanding the application might be. The Dremel 4300 toolkit offers variable speeds, ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute. In designing this toolkit, the staff of Dremel wanted to create a cordless rotary tool that was as versatile as possible. The 4300 rotary toolkit works flawlessly with all Dremel accessories. The Dremel's pilot light can illuminate all your projects for easy visibility. And besides the sturdy construction and sleek design of this rotary tool, Dremel engineers incorporated an innovative and patented airflow system, which prevents the buildup of heat for a more relaxed, smoother, and even quieter operation. The Dremel rotary toolkit comes with replaceable brushes that can be changed when damaged or old to extend the lifespan of your kit. Other features include a comfortable 360-degree grip zone enhanced by the unit's slim, ergonomic build. For more handy options to add to your workshop collection, check out our guide to the best oscillating tools. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.